What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Hannah. So today I'm going to do a little like nighttime routine for you guys. Just basically walk you through what I do basically every single night, minus maybe a few nights when I decide to go like overboard and be super extra. But yeah, you saw that I just took a shower because I went for a run after work. I'll like normally go do some type of workout. Either I'll go for a run, do the Peloton bike, do a HIIT workout, do yoga, something to like really get my body moving, and then right after that I jump into the shower because I feel super gross. I just started this new hair care routine per my hairdresser's recommendation. I'm trying out the brand r+co. She uses it at her salon and she like literally swears by this stuff, and since I've been having a really hard time with my hair lately, which I know I've mentioned in previous vlogs, I know that's that's probably like super annoying. I'm so sorry for it, but she recommended r+co. I got the Television is the name of the type of shampoo and conditioner I got. But yeah, I'm hoping that it works for my hair because she uses it on all of her clients at her salon. So if it works for them, I hope it works for me because we gotta get this grease problem under control. I go ahead and I always, whenever I take a shower, and I do like a full body shower with get my hair wet, I always wash. And you guys have seen this on previous vlogs. I just use the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser to wash my face because I have super sensitive skin, and I wouldn't say like dryish skin, but I do kind of have dryish skin, and this has just worked for me for several years now, so that's what I do. And now I'm going to follow it up with the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, which I know I've showed before as well, just to put it all over my face and neck to keep my face nice and moisturized and feeling good, because I don't like when my face feels dry. It like hurts when it's dry, you know? Now I've taken a shower, washed my face, done my moisturizer, I've brushed my hair. I always brush it out with a comb, by the way, because I was told once that if you use a brush when your hair is wet, it like literally yanks out your hair from your roots. I don't know if that's true or not, so I tend to use a comb after I get out of the shower to brush my hair, starting from the ends and working my way up to get the knots out, just because that's, I think I read that somewhere, to be honest, so I don't know how accurate that is, but yeah, I don't know, that's just what I do. Every time I record lately, she's literally like just in my bed. Curbside pickup for Chipotle. Just put on comfy clothes because I don't really want to put on pajamas yet because we still need to eat dinner. As you just saw, we're trying to order Chipotle to go pick it up because tomorrow we're starting, is it tomorrow or Wednesday that we're starting the 30-day beach challenge, because a month from today we're going to Myrtle Beach on a family vacation. We're being super safe. We rented a beach house and it'll be on a private beach. We're gonna keep social distancing, but we felt like it would be just a good getaway for my family, and both of our boyfriends are coming who have also been social distancing. But yeah, so we want to like essentially pig out today and tomorrow before we start that beach body challenge, where we're going to try to work out every day, or at least like 5 to 6 times a week, and eat semi-healthy. I think we're both giving up chocolate, right? Yeah. As of right now, wait, where should we order from if we can't, since Chipotle isn't answering us?
Well, I asked my friends if they have done Chipotle. How do you pronounce Chipotle?
Chipotle. How do you pronounce Chipotle?
Here, Dan.
Oh, we don't want to go inside. Should we just go get Chick-fil-A? I want Mexican though, like knockoff Mexican though, aka Chipotle. What about the one next door to it? What's it called?
Uncle Julio's.
Uncle Julio's. Uncle Julio's. Whoop whoop. Okay, we're gonna figure out where we need to eat. I'm gonna actually help so that, because I'm hungry. It's like 7.
Wait, currently only offering to-go service.
7:15 right now, so I'll check back in with you guys later. Let me know why this restaurant did this like that. You can literally order a quesadilla for 12 people or none at all. We decided to order Chick-fil-A after staring at Mexican restaurants for approximately 20 minutes because, to be honest, we could not figure out the Chipotle delivery thing, and every other Mexican restaurant was like closing by 8, so we're going to Chick-fil-A now. just wanted to update you guys. Secured the bag. Oh yeah. This is mine. Oh, you didn't take my knife. Now that I finished eating, and this is interesting because I feel like you can see, maybe not. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth now that I finished. I should have put some blush. It's okay though. Now that I finished eating my dinner, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and then pick up my room a little bit, I think, because I'm pretty sure it's a little bit messy, and then set the mood, maybe watch a vlog, and then read a book. Haven't done that in a minute, so we'll see. Wow, having a day, quite the look. All right, I'm going to close these blinds. I don't like to shut my curtains because I like waking up to natural light, so I just shut the blinds instead of the curtains, so that way I can be woken up to the sunlight in the morning. Pick this up a little bit. Stress relief candle from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. Would definitely recommend, if you can order it online, to do so. I can't wait until I can go back to TJ Maxx after this whole thing is over and binge their candle collection, because the girl needs new candles. I think I have like 2 left. And that's just not gonna cut it. I need some variety. Okay, now I feel like my room is nice and pleasant. So this is all cleaned up. My bed looks nice and cozy. Okay, now that my room is all, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn on a vlog to kind of wind down for the day. Okay, the vlog of choice is Rachel Radke is what I eat in the day. Okay, so I was gonna read after watching Rachel Radke's vlog, but I just realized that the Havens, Julie and Hunter, released a vlog, so now I just feel like I have to watch that too. And this is what happens. This is why I don't read, because I literally go to read and then I get distracted by a million other things that interest me more. So now I'm watching their vlog. They're doing a vlog week, which honestly I've considered doing. They basically upload a vlog every single day, Monday through Friday, for a week straight. Yeah, I think that'd be really fun to do, so that might be on the come up. Okay, well, I just finished watching the Havens vlog, and I obviously finished watching Rachel Radke's video earlier. Normally I FaceTime John, my boyfriend, right before I go to bed, just like a quick, we don't really like text during the day. I don't know, it's like, I'm a really bad texter. I have a hard time doing it, so normally we don't really like talk throughout the day, and then we just like do like a call at night and catch up with each other and just like tell each other how our days went. But he's not picking up the phone.
Hello.
Yikes. Do you hear this chaos that's going on in my house right now? My mom said that there's a bug in the kitchen, like literally this big, and everyone in my family is afraid of bugs. My dad, my sister, and I included. And my mom is the only one that's not afraid of bugs because she grew up on a farm, so she has been instructed to kill this bug, and there's so much screaming going on. Wait, did she kill it yet? Wait, Dad said what?
Dad said this.
Wait, it's actually that big?
I love you! Way to sacrifice for the team! We're rooting for you!
Alright, act natural, act natural.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
So that's what we think is in our house, and it literally looks like
Oh, I know what those
terrifying.
are. No, that's a bug. Those things are...
No, that should not even be alive. Like, that should be extinct. I don't know what that is, but I'm not here for it. It's in my kitchen right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, there we go. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end off the video here. So that was like my little nighttime routine. I know it was all over the place, but to be honest, that's reality. So hopefully you guys will be able to relate to that a little bit more than like a very strict, cliche, super put together night routine. I know that night routines and morning routines are so important to kind of start your day right and end your day right, and sometimes they can be not as you planned, and tonight definitely didn't go as I planned with the killer moth hummingbird thing that's apparently in my kitchen. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. As always, go ahead and subscribe down below if you're not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.